Congratulations, your work is done. You've captured leads at the event, and it's time to do one last thing before you rest and call it a day. Now, if your app was set up to automatically sync all leads back to Gecko, it may be that you don't even need to do this, but we'll run through the methodology anyway, and as I didn't remember to do that on my app, so we do need to manually sync things. Begin by navigating one last time back into the admin area, and this time head to the responses section. Now, this will show you a list of all of the different responses that you've captured on your app, and it's important to take note of the colored bar just to the left of the user details. Orange means that this has not yet synced back or sunk back to Gecko. Green denotes that it has synced. So if you do tap into this area, if you see green across the board here, don't worry, you won't need to do anything. Everything is already sunk. I need to decide on which way to say that. Anyway, one of the nice things about not automatically syncing is that you're able to tap into any individual student record. You can edit any of the fields. So if the student comes back to you after the fact and says, actually, I said year of entry was fall 2024, but do you mind if we change that? You can say, yeah, no problem at all. Let's amend that for you right then and there. You've also got the ability to add any labels. So if we spoke with a student and we thought, wow, Sandra was absolutely incredible. She was a great lead. I don't think I have the right tags here, but we can assign tags which are then going to push back to Gecko, which can be used for further sorting. Additionally, you're able to tap into a student area and leave any notes. Make sure to follow up with financial aid info. Once all is said and done, when you're happy with all of the information, to sync this, just go to the settings section and tap upload responses. That'll push everything back to Gecko. Of course, you do need an active internet connection for this. And once that's done, the screen will return to this. If we head back to responses, we'll see we've got that lovely green bar next to each student. And if we come into the Gecko platform, we'll see that those responses are right here on the system. Crucially, we can see the student name, which form was used, which agent was logged into the device when the response was captured. We'll see any labels and also those notes which are included on the form response.